Basically, Marham is a digital healthcare platform, and we help patients in finding doctors, booking appointments with them, taking video consultations, or even book lab tests or order medicine deliveries after their consultation. So we are trying to grow into a super app for healthcare sector in Pakistan, where patients can meet their or find the problems to their healthcare challenges in our app. So this is what we do, and I am the co-founder of Marham. And when a startup is in growth stage, my job is to make sure that we do that whatever it takes. So
Okay.
this is what we have a website, app, and a call center helpline to help the both literate and illiterate audience of Pakistan.
Okay.
And similarly, we have built a team that provides services to patients as well. And on the other side, another team that ensures or builds the network of doctors on our platform. And then the team structure in terms of this, that those who work on like brand awareness and then marketing, and then seeing that okay, how can we bring those people or aware people about our services. So in this way, by by our team and then by our product or services, we make sure that we give these services to the patient. Yes, sure. So we believe that innovation specifically belongs to this area as well. That uh, how can you improve the conventional systems and processes. So in Pakistan, when we started working, there was no community platform or a platform that patient could have access to make an informed decision about where to go, what doctor to find, how to find the right doctor for their needs at the right time. So what we have done, that in first step we have established our network of doctors on our platform. But on the top of the innovation that we are bringing to make sure that patient make a better decision is this, that our algorithms work in a way and guide patients in a way on the basis of the reviews that we have collected from the experience of other patients. So those reviews and those experiences help other patients into finding the right doctors for them for any specific disease, for any specific medical specialty, which is very difficult to find. So that is one area that we are working on. Or we have been creating an impact in.
Yeah.
Second, the major area is this, that we connect patients from even you understand that Pakistan doesn't have that kind of strong tech infrastructure available to people, right? It's
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
growing, it's growing like exponentially, but still people struggle with internet or these kind of challenges. But what we have done is this, that we have built a telemedicine platform which enables people with very low bandwidth internet or very challenging environment, or we have built processes for them to take online consultations from doctor from their home, pay online, get the consultation done, and then receive the prescription, medicine order, and lab, and then can take labs from there. So, so providing that service where patients can those cities technology that we have adopted so far is this, that how can we connect patients through doctors via telemedicine technology or the processes of telemedicine. We have worked on streamlining the processes to make sure that a large volume of patients, especially in times of COVID, can connect with doctors in a hassle-free way. And we have worked on the side of doctor side in the EMR technology into maintaining the patient record, making sure that doctors can make the right diagnosis and help patients effectively. So that's the area that we have worked on in technology. of closing this round was this, that Marham has built, a certain product and solution for Pakistan's healthcare ecosystem over the last 5 years. So our target was this, that how can we, take it forward and, build awareness in Pakistan and in people that this service is available and it can make their lives easier, or, give them a quality healthcare experience when approaching hospitals or doctors. So our focus area in this round is primarily on three things. Number one is this, that how can we improve the quality of our service, and like how can we improve our product. Number two, how can we build the brand awareness around the services that we provide. And number three is this, that how can we build our network, or start building our network of telemedicine clinics all across Pakistan. These are the goals, and we are hopeful to make a difference in Pakistan's healthcare space and see how can we contribute our part. Yeah, thank you so much for connecting with us and reaching out. It's beautiful. It's a wonderful feeling that when you can connect and share the work or the impact that you are creating with other people out there. So thank you for giving us the chance and the platform, and look forward to staying connected with you, inshallah.